Hey, what's up, busy people? Hope you guys are all doing excellent. Hope your day is going smoothly. Hope you've been enjoying the tutorial so far. If you are stuck anywhere and need help, let me know what the problem is, and I'll be happy to help you out. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at the AI customer review section of your agency Google Sheets CRM. If you look at the bottom here, the bottom tabs, you should see one that says AI customer reviews, and once you click on it, you should see something like this. Okay, so this is the sheet that allows you to see the reviews you're getting from your clients. All right, and then it also lets you use AI to do some really cool things with the reviews that are coming in. Okay, so for example, we can use AI to automatically generate a response as soon as the review hits your CRM. All right, we can also use AI to automatically translate the review from one language to the other, and we could do so many other things, but just for demo purposes we'll cover just a few things, okay, for now. All right, so whenever someone sends a review, there are two ways you can capture the review. Okay, so if someone came into your CRM through the chatbot, right, or maybe through some other software, whenever they first come into your CRM, they're going to be showing up somewhere over here. For example, we have Valentino Shelby. All right, so let's assume we got Valentino Shelby through the chatbot. So her information populates right over here, and then once we've done with the job, let's say we sold something to Valentino, we put the sales amount, we put the date, right? Let me just put something in there for now, just for good practice. All right, so let's say we sold something to Valentino, and then let's say, let me pull this one right here. Let me pull this right here. There we go. So in January we sold something to Valentino. We've converted her lead source. Let's say she came in through Facebook. All right, so I think we've entered all the necessary data for the sale. All right, so something like that, right? So we're just trying to create a scenario, right? So now we completed the job, and we want to see how Valentino feels about what we did, right? So she told us on the phone she's happy, but we want to take some reviews from her. All right, so what we can do is that since Valentino came in through our chatbot, we are going to send her a link so she can click that link to send us a review. Okay, and once she sends the review, once she engages with the chatbot takes the review. The chatbot is going to come right through the CRM. Okay, and then the chatbot is going to look for the ID that is tagged to Valentino, because these IDs are always unique IDs, right? No one else in your CRM will have the same ID. So the chatbot will look for the ID and will say, all right, this is the role that Valentino occupies. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna populate the right place with Valentino's review. So once Valentino leaves a review, we should see that review populate right over here. Okay, so this is one way you can take reviews. The other way is that you can grab the review from somewhere else, maybe let's say your GMB account, right? And then if you want to let AI automatically generate a response to that review, you want to copy it. Let's say we go over to our GMB account, right? And let's say we want to go to oh, this is not where I want. Reviews, read reviews. All right, so for example, we can copy this review right here, and then we can come back to our, oops, where is this? We can come back here and paste it, right? And you do that, that's you're gonna do that when you enter that lead manually, right? So if you enter that lead manually, okay, and they did not come through the chatbot, then you want to go, if the lead left you a review here, or maybe they left it somewhere, maybe Yelp or something like that, you can copy that review and come in here and just paste it right here, right? And then once you do that, immediately you go to your AI customer reviews tab. Your AI is going to generate an automated response. Okay, so when we come here, if we did that, AI would generate an automated response. We can copy that response. If we don't want to write the review, right, you just go ahead and just copy, and you can just come back in here and then use that as your reply, right? So you see how cool that is, right? AI sort of helps you out and creates, you know, a response to all the reviews that are coming in. Later on, I will show you how to set up the AI, and we're going to do some tests over here, right, to see how this all works out. Okay, so let's assume that, going back to Valentino, let's assume Valentino, we want to take a review from Valentino, right? So what we want to do is, if you guys have my chatbot template, you want to go over to where your flows are. There is one of the flows that I have named as I think it says feedback right here. So it should say reviews and feedback old school, right? So on the right hand side, you see those three dots. Just click on them and then grab the link right here, get link. All right, and then you can send this out, or if you want to use Messenger, if they came through Facebook, you could send that to them. If they came through website, you could send this to them. You know, I recommend the Facebook one. I think that's better. But anyway, so once you grab the link, you can also create a QR code, okay, and then link that QR code to the flow right here, your feedback flow. And if you're in close proximity to your customer or the client, you could just let them scan the QR code, and then they can leave you a review. All right, so let's say we sent it out to Valentino. Clicks the link, and then she's gonna see something like this. All right, and then we're gonna, let's say she interacted with it, and then we're gonna go that way, and then she should see something like this. All right, and then let's say she's happy with our work. She clicks 5, and then we say here, thanks for your quick feedback. One last thing, please write a short review about your experience with our company. So let's say Valentino is gonna say something like, thanks for your work. I really appreciate what you did. It saved me time and money. Something like this. Okay, so let's say Valentino left this review, and we say thanks Valentino. All right, so if we come in here, you can see that Valentino's review has populated right over here. Okay, this is the review she left right there. Okay, so if you go over to your AI customer review section, let's see if AI has generated a response to this review. All right, so if we click right here, oh, you can see, okay, all right, so over here we need to pull this down. Let's pull this down. Should I pull it down already? All right, there we go. So we pull down the formula to allow to allow the AI to make a response. I actually needed to pull this all the way down. So what AI does is it's just going to create a dummy text in here, all right, until it gets a new review. Then it will apply, or it will generate a response based on the review that came in. All right, so I pulled down this formula over here. Okay, so you could see Valentino's review has been responded automatically right here. Okay, so it says, thank you so much for taking time to leave a review. I'm thrilled to hear that I was able to help you out and save you some time and money. Is there anything else I can do for you in the future? Don't hesitate to reach out. So you see how AI has responded automatically to the review, right? We can also use AI to translate the reviews to Spanish. Okay, so in order to set this up, all right, we need to use an extension, right? Because we want AI to be helping us respond to the review. And let's just say we also want to automatically translate the review. So we want to use an extension called numerous.ai. Okay, so to do that, you want to click on extensions, and then you want to click on add-ons. All right, you want to click on add-ons, extensions, add-ons right here, and then you want to look for one that says numerous, numerous, numerous.ai. You can see it auto suggested it right here. So it's numerous.ai chat GPT for sheets, right? So once you click on it, you'll see it right over here, and then go ahead and install it. I've already installed it, so it's prompting me to uninstall, but that's not what I want to do right now. But go ahead and click to install it, and then once you're done, you come back again to extensions, and then you should see it pop up right over here, okay, where it says numerous.ai chat GPT for sheets. Okay, when you place your mouse on it, you see another little window that says show sidebar. All right, you can go ahead and click on that, and then you should see a sidebar to the right over here. Okay, so in order for you to fill this part out right here, let me go ahead and just delete this side over here. Okay, so we're going to use a formula. Okay, there is a formula right here that's you got to put in here. Okay, so the formula is going to be equal to AI, you can do uppercase, equal to AI open bracket, and then we're going to do double quote. Okay, so the first quote, so we got equal to AI open bracket quote, and then you can write what you want the AI to do for you, right? So I say here, write me a 3-sentence short response to my client's review. Use casual language. And then over here it says, if the review is negative, tell the client we will do everything we can to fix it. Okay, and then you close that quotation, and then you add a comma, and then you pick the column that contains your client review, and that is column K. So we want to pick K2 to for the first start, right? So K2, we want to start off with K2. All right, so we got a comma, K2, and then another comma, and then we got open parenthesis, okay, or let's say 2 quotes, all right, and then close parenthesis. Okay, so we got 2 quotations right here, and then close parenthesis. Just zoom in and do it exactly as you see right here. And once you're done, go ahead and hit enter. All right, and then once it generates this, sometimes it will say something like error, but it's just trying to generate the review. Okay, so once you see this, go ahead and place your mouse here till you see the plus sign and just pull it down this way. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. And once you pull it down, it will automatically generate response to all your client reviews. Okay, let me pull this down a little bit more here. Okay. All right. Now you notice there are some spots that don't have a review, yet AI puts some stuff in there. It's sort of like a placeholder text. Okay, if you want to, you can delete it, but you don't have to. All right. It just puts some kind of a mannequin dummy text in there. But as soon as a review comes in, it will look at that review and generate an appropriate response to that review. Okay, so this one is sort of like a placeholder. All right, it's just doing the job of a placeholder. You can always delete it if you want. All right. Okay, so another cool thing we can do is that we can also let AI automatically translate our response into Spanish. Okay, so this is where the sidebar becomes useful. All right, so on the sidebar, if you look at the numerous AI sidebar, there is one tool. They have numerous different tools you can use. All right, but just pick the one that's relevant. There's one that says translate. Okay, so you can say you can give it instructions here and say translate the text in column, and then right here you can just put M. Okay, and then it will say from English. Okay, from English, and then I'll say let's do Spanish. Okay, Spanish. All right, so before you do that, make sure you click where you want the translation to be placed. Okay, so make sure you click right here. We want the first one to be translated, and then we're going to pull it all the way down. Okay, so once you're done, click place translation, and then AI is going to auto translate your reviews to Spanish. So you see right here they have it cut off, so I have to pull down right there. Oh wait, let me format that column. Give me a sec. Oops, is it still translate? Oh, okay, hold on. Let me format it. That way it will be let's see here. Yeah, I want to wrap. There we go. So this is what we want. Okay, so we got AI. So once you're done, go ahead and grab it and pull it all the way down right here, and then AI is gonna translate the other ones into Spanish. As you can see right here, we don't need this part, we can delete it. And then we want to pull it all the way down here, and then AI will translate these other ones into Spanish. Okay, you can delete this part since we don't need it. Like I said, AI puts dummy text in there, but once a review comes in, it will change it and apply the right do the right application. All right. Okay, so let's see a scenario where the customer left a bad review. Okay, so we can see Valentino left a good review, right? But let's just assume that the review that came in was a bad one. Okay, so I'm gonna go back right here. Let me delete Valentino's good review. So we're gonna say I am upset and very angry. You did a bad job. I need a refund. Okay, so this review doesn't look good. So let's say Valentino gave us say Valentino gave us 1 star. Okay, so this is a really bad review. So let's see how AI handled it this time. So if we go over to our AI customer review section, look at what happened. Okay, so the review was pulled right in here. We got the 1 star, and check out how AI responded. We are sorry to hear that you're upset and angry about our work. Our team takes every review seriously and will do everything we can to fix the situation. See that AI is responding, is following the instructions that I gave it right here in the formula. All right, so it says make things right for you. Says, and we'll do everything we can to fix the situation and make things right for you. Please send us an email with your concerns and we'll work on proceeding a refund for you. Okay, so you could see it generated a response. If you like it, you can copy this and send it back to the Valentino, so you don't have to write everything out. Okay, and then it automatically generated a translation in Spanish right here. Okay, you can see that right over here. I don't speak Spanish, but I believe this is a translation, exact translation to this. All right, let's see. Let me copy this one. Go to ChatGPT. Let's ask, please translate this to English. I believe that's sorry to hear that you're upset and angry with our team tech. Yep, so I believe that's the exact translation. It did translate. Over here it says it's loading data. Sometimes it behaves this way. I don't know if it's the server for numerous AI, but if you find out that it's doing this, what I would do is I'm gonna go ahead and refresh, see if that can help situations with it. Call reference error. Let's see if this one will do, and then we'll do something else. So what I will usually do is I'll just go to the first one and pull it down like that. All right, see that? And then that kind of refreshes the server. All right, so anytime you notice it's not working, just go ahead and pull it down. All right, and that should help refresh the server. I'm going to go ahead and pull the one at the bottom up, and there we go. Okay, so that's one nice way to refresh it and get the AI working again. All right, so I thought this one is going to be a cool way to use AI's technology to respond to specific reviews that are coming through your CRM. All right, and for those of you who don't want to write out, maybe you're getting reviews coming in, you don't want to sit down and write, or you don't want to be writing responses to reviews, you can have AI do that for you. If you need, maybe you have some Spanish clients and you want to send them a Spanish response, let AI do the translation for you right here. Everything will be done automatically. As soon as you post that review in there, whether it's coming through chatbot or you do it manually, it will show up right here, and then AI will take over, respond, and translate it for you. And if you need it, that's if you need that. All right, then you just come in here and just copy this, and then paste it wherever you want to, right? So let's say the review was left in your Google My Business page, right? So you come in here, you hit reply, okay, reply, and then you can respond. Just paste the review right there. See what I mean, right? And then you don't have to write it out. Okay, so I think you get the point, right? Okay, so yeah, that's how useful this AI customer review is. Again, not to sound repetitive, if you need to, please do not make edits here. Okay, don't come in here to change names or phone numbers or anything like that. I just pull them here just to help you see what's going on, who the review is coming from, what they purchased, the amount of money they spent, and all that, to help you make good analysis. Okay, please don't come in here and try to edit stuff. All your edits should take place in the incoming data section. If you need to change your phone number, if you need, maybe you spelled your client's name wrong, let's say the name should be Valentine instead of Valentino, and you change that, the O to E, it will populate through the system. Okay, so when I come back here, you can see that the E is now, you see what I mean, right? So all your changes should be done right inside in the incoming data section. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and I will be happy to help you out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye.